Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing a no-arms, comfy ergonomic swivel computer chair designed for ultimate home office comfort. Its backrest perfectly conforms to the natural curve of your waist, while the breathable nylon mesh keeps you cool. Enjoy the 360-degree swivel seat with smooth rolling wheels for easy movement and flexibility throughout your workspace. The armless design lets you push the chair neatly under your desk, saving space and freeing up arm movement. Plus, the thicker foam cushion provides excellent support and comfort during long hours of sitting. You can also easily adjust the chair's height to fit your desk perfectly. Installation is simple with our helpful video tutorials and clear instructions. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.